friends, welcome to my second video. This time I have bought Boat AirDops 441 Pro from Amazon and I have directly opened the packaging. Let me show you how the initial packaging of this Boat AirDops 441 Pro looks like. This was available on Amazon from during the Prime Day sale on 6th of August to 7th of August 2020, and I purchased this for rupees 2499 or 2498 along with Prime membership. I had to enroll first myself into Amazon Prime, and then I could order it, or else it is on regular price is 3000 rupees, 3500. So when you have Prime membership and you order in the Prime days, I got 1000 rupees discount. It says 2600 mAh charging case up to 5 hours with a single charge on the buds, and additional 150 hours total you can use it with the charging case. Here there is a very quite interesting thing. If you notice, they say it has a power bank function and it is IPX water and sweat resistant, which is very good. It has Swift Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and it has touch controls. So this is a Boat company, which is an Indian company. Though the product is might be made in China. Let me just check if they have mentioned. Yeah, they have written here made in China. See, designed in US but made in China, and it has warranty of 1 year. MRP they are rating as rupees 7000, but the actual MRP is the amount that I purchased it was rupees 2498. I got it through Amazon. I have an Amazon Prime membership, so I ordered it from there. Okay, let us quickly unbox this packaging and let us see what is inside. So let us just start the unboxing of this Boat AirDops 441 Pro. Wow. Let us see what is the actual blue color of the earphones that you get. It has a power bank function, IPX7 water resistant, touch controls, and overall Boat branding, which makes a great product. In my full opinion, I will try to tell you how value for money product it is. Okay, they have seal over here. Boat AirDops 441. Oh wow, the case actually looks big than expected, but it has 150 hours of total backup. You must not forget that. Oh, it is quite huge, and it is heavy also. It has a quite weight to it. I don't think this will be a pocketable edition. Almost the weight of a mobile, little less than that weight of a mobile. So definitely you can carry it in your college bags or in your office bag. Here we have the back side. This is model number Boat AirDops 441. Input 5 volt 2 ampere. That means it can support 10 watt charging. It has earbuds 3.7 volt 35 mAh battery. Okay, that battery capacity looks less. Charging box battery 3.7 volt 2600 mAh. So that is a very huge amount. That is the reason why it is so heavy. Then these are all the certifications that it has got, and I think this is the port for USB charging of that it can act as a power bank. And there is a button over here. We will shortly see why this button is given. And there are LED indicators over here, 4 LED indicators, and here is the Boat branding. Okay, let us keep this at side. Let us see what other things we can get. Here is a small box for accessories. Okay, here is a small box for accessories. Here you get extra ear tips, and they have also given some extra flanges. I'll try to open and show it to you. Okay, so these are the pair of extra ear tips that you get. So these are the extra pair of ear tips. Total these are three pairs of ear tips, and one might be pre-installed in the both AirDops pre-installed. So total you get 4 ear tips, and these are the ear flanges or whatever you say. These are so that you get a secure fit in your ears. But their photo they look like hard plastic, but they are actually very soft rubber, so they won't irritate you in your ears. And this is not a sponsored video. Please make sure. Please just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video. Okay. Let us see what extra other things we get. Here is both 1 year warranty, and here is the both heads, whatever. Chalo, theek hai. Here is the boat manual we get. So these were the accessories that we have got. Three pairs of ear tips and 1 pair of ear flanges for extra secure fit. And here is a boat leaflet, I can say. They have all the range of products mentioned in it. Like these are the wide earphones, they are the speakers, then these are their headphones. This is the Boat AirDops 441 which I was about to purchase, but later on I went for Boat AirDops 441 because they were launching during the Amazon Prime days and are a better choice over over Boat AirDops 441. Okay, what is this? This is their party speakers, Party Pal. They also sell cables and chargers. Let us keep them aside. Here is the Boat AirDops manual. AirDops manual 441 Pro manual. It says how to use this product and what are the different ports given over here. Then there is also given for how you can reset this AirDops. Okay, it is a very big manual. I don't think anyone will need this manual except for how to reset this AirDops. Rest everyone can use without reading this manual. This is the Boat AirDops 441 in red color. Let us have a look at the main unit now. This is Boat AirDops 441 Pro. There is a point over here. Maybe this is for charging the Boat AirDops 441 along with the USB Type-C cable that is supplied along with the other accessories, that is the ear tips and 3 pairs of ear tips and extra ear flange, single pair. It has 2600 mAh battery which helps it to stay on for which helps your music experience to go on for about 150 hours. It is made in Republic of China, so it is made in China. I wish it would have been made in India, but nonetheless the boat company is an Indian company. Let us just open the product. These are the 3 LED indicators, and as soon as you open the case you can see some lights flashing on the Boat AirDops 441 Pro. That means it has that instant wake and pair feature, so as soon as you open the case it goes into pairing mode. Let us see how it looks when you remove this earbuds. There are 3 contact points over here and there are only 2 contact points over here. I don't know why they have added the 3rd contact point, not sure about that. Here is the charging case. They have indicated left and right, so you know where it has to be put. The lights that flash on this Boat Eros 441 make it look much appealing to the eye, and there is also a very good hinge. They have actually strengthened the hinge using this plastic structure. Let us see what is there over here. So let us see what is there over here. There is a button over here which can use for charging your phone, and you can also, by pressing this button, you also come to know about the battery left in the charging case. There is a lid or a door which opens up to the ports in it. This is a USB type A where you can put your USB cable and you can charge your mobile, but this must be used only in the emergency situation, and this is also written in their manual. Here is a USB type C port which you can use to charge this case. 2600 mAh battery inside it. So here is an in-depth review of the audio quality of this Boat AirDubs 441 Pro. The audio quality of this is very good for the price that you pay. It has very good mids, highs, lows, treble, instrument separation. Everything is quite good, and the bass is also impressive. There is an light that comes over here which adds to the beauty of this product, and I have also used the power bank feature. It gives you 5 watt output, so it will charge your phone a little slow, but it is useful when you like in an emergency situation where you don't have any other power supply. It also has USB type C, and I will also show you the sample of the mic test of this Boat AirDubs 441 Pro, and it is also quite good. You will definitely like it. Now if I compare it with my previous Petron Buzz Buds Pro, I will say this is a better value for money product as compared to Petron. And there was a major issue with the Petron Buzz Buds Pro, that was the audio quality of this Petron Buzz Buds Pro is quite good, but the mic quality of this Petron Buzz Buds Pro was not that good. And the major issue that I faced was with the after sales service of the Petron company. They just have a single number, and when you call them in the service center, nobody picks up the call. When you register a complaint, you don't get a complaint number, and so this company says this has 1 year warranty, and my product is only about 2 months old right now, and I am not able to claim the warranty because there is no one to answer a call, or no one to give a complaint number. Everything is very wrong in this Petron Buzz Buds Pro. If you don't care about the warranty, then you can definitely go for it because it is a little cheap. It is rupees 1300, and this comes for rupees 2500, which I had purchased during the Prime days from Amazon Prime, or else after some time it will be available for rupees 3500, but then too it is a good product. The only thing is the case is little heavy, and this Petron case is very light. Now the problem in my Petron Buzz Buds Pro was one of that earbud had fallen down, and it had stopped working. I tried contacting the company, but nobody responded. So finally I opened it and tried repairing it myself, but found no luck and couldn't repair it. So right now I just have a single earbud which is working. So I can say 50% of my money is wasted right now in this Petron Buzz Buds Pro. But if you talk about this LED indicators, charging indicators, this is quite good. It also has Type C, and even this Boat AirDubs 441 Pro has Type C. So I will prefer you go with Boat one because I have read about their warranty related claims in the Amazon customer care page. They say if the Boat company realizes that they have a product which is at fault, they will just take your old product and give you a new product, replace it with a new product. So Boat is having a very good after sales service, and Boat is a Indian company, though the product is made in China. This is the mic quality of both AirDots 441 Pro, and this is exactly the kind of audio output that the other person will hear when you use this for taking calls. Right now I'm standing in a silent environment, and it is very good to take calls from a silent environment. I will also try to show you samples when I'm standing in noisy environment. But I want to know your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you think about this audio quality? Do you think it is this mic quality of this board at the Ados 441 Pro is quite good or not? And if I compare the mic quality of this board Ados 441 Pro with that of Petron Buzzbuds Pro, I think this is much better as compared to Petron, because in Petron Buzzbuds Pro I had to speak a little louder so that my voice could be heard to the other person over a phone call. So I don't think that you will have any issues while taking call, and it can be easily used for taking calls over using this boat Ados 441 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So friends, this is the kind of audio quality that you will get when you are standing in a noisy environment. Right now I am standing just under a fan which is running very fast, and there is a washing machine which is running beside me. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think about the audio quality? I don't think it will be good to take from a traffic environment or a noisy environment, but it is very good when you take calls in a silent environment. So now let's talk about the battery backup of this Boat AirDots 441 Pro. I had completely charged this case 10 days before, and even after 10 days of heavy usage I can still see around 25% charge left in it. So you don't have to worry about charging the case again for at least a week or 10 days in my case. Now let me show you a quick audio sample of this Boat AirDots 441 Pro, and let me know what do you think about the audio sample in the comment section below. Earbuds back in the case, they stopped playing but they are still turned on, and they are connected to my PC right now. And I have used this Boat AirDots 441 Pro to take calls over Google Meeting. It is for conference calls, and I have faced no issues in that. These are very good for taking audio calls, and for the audio experience is also too good. So you will not face any problem in the mic or the audio quality. It is a value for money product, I will say. But if you get this for 2500, you must definitely give it a try. But if you are getting it for rupees 3500, you can even explore many other options. But I am not saying that this is a bad option in that case even as well. Okay, so I think this was enough for today's review video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this video that I have made? And also let me know your suggestions that I can make better videos in the future. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also share it with your friends if you think anyone is interested in buying true wireless earphones are below rupees 2500. And you can even share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you.